So we're talking about the side part, disconnection, and an undercut. And I want to just go over a couple of things so you understand really what does that mean. A disconnection is when the hair does not blend in. That's simply what a disconnection means. You can have a blended disconnection, which means part of it is blended throughout the back and then another side like this is completely disconnected. So this technically is disconnected, and you can call it an undercut to an extent because this hair will flop over. But really it's a disconnected side part with an undercut on this side and through here because all this is shaved underneath and then this hangs over this way. So what you need to understand is first off, you have to find how high you want the side part. You can't have it too low and you can't have it too high. The best is probably right in the corner, right in through here, okay? Right in through this area of like the corner of the eyebrow. That's where the hair likes to naturally part. You always want to go where the hair naturally parts. Then, if the hair is too short on this side, it's just going to keep flopping down and hanging over like this. So you need to understand that it has to be long enough for the hair to sweep over all the time, and then if it does fall down, you just take your hand and you brush it back like this. Now this part in through here, right, you can have a complete disconnection like this, or you can have it somewhat blended. If you were to have this fully undercut, there would be, all of this would be completely shaved, and this would hang over. So you'd have a side part with an undercut, right, a disconnected side part undercut. It really comes down to how you want to wear your hair. But what's important to understand is finding out the parting on the side. Make sure you get that right, because once you shave all that hair off, it's gone, right? And if you go too high or too low, it's actually easier to go too low because you can always raise it. If you go too high, you're in rough shape. And then for the actual undercut, you have to really think, do you want all this shaved off? Because if you do, it'll be very easy to slick back and kind of easy to style. But if you want to have some hair like in through here, right? This is a bit extreme, right? There's no sort of blending, it's more of an extreme, but this hangs over. So then technically this is kind of an undercut because this is cut shorter underneath this. So do you want to have all this longer? It's really up to you, and you have to decide which style works best for you. But it's really important to understand, really what the difference is between a side part, undercut, and disconnection. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you have this haircut. I'll see you soon.